Want a unique layout for a specific collection in Shopify? Here's how to create a custom collection template. Start by logging into your Shopify admin and going to Online Store, Themes. Click Actions. Edit code on your active theme. Under Templates, click Add a new template, select Collection, and give it a descriptive name like Custom Layout. Shopify will create a new template file, which you can now customize by editing sections or adding code to change how products appear in this collection. After saving your changes, go to Products, Collections, and open the collection you want to use this template for. In the Theme Template dropdown, select your newly created template and click Save. Your collection will now use the custom layout you created. That's it. Your Shopify collection now has a custom template with your unique layout. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.